Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare Kappa Rotti. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 2 power of white rice. Wash and soak rice in water for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Half grated coconut, 1 fist of cooked rice, salt to taste. Let's start the preparation. Transfer the drained rice to blender along with cooked rice, grated coconut and water and grind it. Batter is ready. Keep batter for 15 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Heat a pan on medium flame and pour our batter in the center of the pan. Close the lid, let it cook. Yummy! Kappa Rotti is ready! Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.